If you are a dental, medical, optometry or veterinary clinic, we need to talk. If you want to acquire more patients and reduce no-shows, we need to talk. If your practice can use a HIPAA-compliant phone solution that is designed specifically for medical practices, an all-in-one platform, we need to talk. If your medical practice is dependent on internet connectivity and is HIPAA-compliant while transmitting EMR or EHR files, we need to talk. Let me introduce a couple of solutions that can have a positive financial impact on your practice. First, let me introduce Weave, that has decades of healthcare experience packed into one platform to increase patient communications, appointment management, office operations and integrations, providing a reduction of your no-show rate while generating additional revenue. Weave gives you the tools you need to attract, retain, and engage customers, all with one easy-to-use platform. Second, an internet solution provided by Massive Networks, your HIPAA-compliant network that keeps your EMR records from being exposed on the public internet. The challenges are compounded when sharing patient and EMR or EHR records with each other through the public internet, which makes abiding by HIPAA compliance difficult. Let's read what our users are saying about us. Weave helps control patient flow, and ease of gathering information from patients is a huge plus. It also reduces the amount of phone calls in and out of the practice. Weave has been critical to managing the office and scheduling patients. I save between 2 to 3 hours a day confirming appointments, and I'm able to fill more last-minute cancellations. Before we started using Weave, we just had a few Google reviews. Now we have over 150, and it's our #1 source for new patients. Inter-office communication with the group chat has been a game changer. Allows me to communicate with my staff without needing to leave the exam lane. The ability for our patients to be sent a payment link to meet their financial commitments has provided the practice with a huge benefit. Weave is low cost, low effort, and it more than pays for itself through increased recall revenue. Win back valuable administration time, attract more patients online, and watch your practice grow. Appointment reminders. Automatically send a series of text, email, or voice reminders to minimize no-shows and late cancellations, freeing up staff. One unified platform. Phone solution designed for medical offices. Weave's phone system is built to streamline your location's most powerful revenue generation tools. You get 5 free phones per location with Weave. If you need more than 5, you can add phones for just $7 a month, which is, I am sure you know, is far less than any other providers, which can work but are not designed specifically for medical offices. Digital intake notifications. Save admin staff time and reduce paper costs by automatically sending patient links to secure online forms to complete intake before appointments, as well as medical history forms. Missed appointment notifications. Patients who miss their appointment automatically get sent a notification to reschedule. This hands-off approach helps you maintain appointments volumes. Recall notifications. Automatically send patients text, email or voice messages when they're overdue for a cleaning, exam, or preventive visits, filling in gaps in your schedule and padding monthly revenue. Eyewear notifications. Vision practices can automatically send text, email, or voice notices to patients when their glasses or contacts are ready for pickup. Spotlight pop-up screen notification appears on your desktop when a patient calls your practice. With a click of a button, you get details of next appointment date, recall due date, potential balance, insurance records on file, missing contact information, birth date and outstanding prescribed treatments. Insurance verification. Spend less time verifying insurance and more time creating an exceptional patient experience, with a click of a button without accessing any other system. Multi-location. Weave gives your organization a new level of performance with standardization across all locations. This multi-location, multi-department, and multi-provider system can create more personalized communications and reduce call handling times. Automate your patient outreach. Newsletter campaigns. Automatically send targeted patient education and marketing materials based on criteria such as patient age, gender, or diagnosis, keeping them informed. Birthday greetings. Remember every patient with a text or email birthday wishes. Automate the payment experience. Payment reminders automatically send patients payment balance reminders and requests with a secure link to easily make an online payment by credit card. Automate patient retention and acquisition. Satisfaction surveys automatically send patients a satisfaction survey 24 to 48 hours after their appointment to gauge their patient experience and collect NPS scores. Review invitations automatically text or email patients a personalized request to leave your practice an online review on Google, Facebook, and Yelp. Don't just take our word for it. Here is a case study with Children's Clear Vision has been using Weave to make life easier for busy parents. For example, they automatically text patients' parents about upcoming appointments and notify them when their eyewear is in, all from their office phone number. Since last year, Children's Clear Vision has been using one of Weave's newest features, Weave Payment, to dramatically change the way they collect balances, giving patients' parents a more convenient way to pay. A quote from Emily: "I used to spend 3 days a month printing off and mailing out invoices. Now, it takes me less than a day to text them to all our patients with outstanding balances. We've seen better success collecting. A lot of people tend to put off paying mailed invoices. Getting a text is more urgent and allows us to send follow-up reminders." The Vision Center saw results of $10,000 in just 12 months exclusively over text. In addition to the additional revenue, they saved 30+ hours savings each month for the billing staff. Also, saving over 250 printed invoices, with additional savings of $200 from printing invoices, envelopes, and stamps. Along with the convenience for patients paying from their smartphone. The importance of a strong internet service for your medical office is paramount. Almost if not all your technology tools are dependent on internet service. Allow me the opportunity to introduce you to a HIPAA-compliant and award-winning service from Massive Networks. A case study with a medical service provider, Metamorph, currently provides billing services to physician practices and ambulatory surgery centers. Most medical offices' challenges are compounded when they share patient and EMR records with each other through the public internet, which makes abiding by HIPAA compliance difficult. Each office is usually an island unto themselves. Massive Networks moved them over to a redundant fiber ring and virtual local area network that connected everything together. They also moved their backup solutions into a secondary data center to provide redundancy with 10 gigabit speeds. And internal record sharing is now HIPAA compliant and no longer a security risk and vulnerable to hackers. Here is a quote from the CIO. "Throughout the process, Massive Networks were extremely responsive and provided optimal information in each stage of the implementation process. This experience has given us the confidence we need to share patient and EMR records securely, making us HIPAA compliant between offices. Additionally, our bandwidth performance has improved exponentially. All of my expectations were exceeded with our involvement in Massive Networks." I hope you are intrigued enough to set aside a few minutes to answer your questions and design a solution specifically for you. Please click this button to set up an appointment.